So let's start with accounts. Let's do it. Why accounts? Okay, why accounts? Because while pursuing your commerce or management, you'll deal with this subject. You can't run with it. And at the time of this, you will freak out. You will freak out that shit. Accounts? Really? Even I used to freak out, but then with time I understood that the most important thing in accountancy is the basics. Basic is the rule, the basic is the key for everything, but in accountancy it is the most important thing. If you know the basics, if you know the principles of it, you are there. Your mind is there and your scores are there. Trust me with this. I won't take your much time. I'll make small videos so that you can understand the basics and the principles of accounting without wasting any minute, right? The very easy way to learn accountancy is the terms that they put on us, the terms with which they scare us. For example, the journal entries, the cash flows, the balance sheets. The balance sheets are the important part of making financial statements. So if you are aware of these terms, these techniques, you will be able to solve problems anytime. It's just a matter of time, guys. It's just a matter of time. Slowly, calmly, you just need to understand the terms of accounting. That's it. So let's get started with accounting. Okay, what is accounting? It is a service activity. You don't have to complicate it much. Just remember that accounting is a service activity and the functions of accounting are, see, it is really very simple if you keep it like that. It is a quantitative, it is a quantitative information which is financial in nature. Just this, you just have to remember, it is a quantitative information which is financial in nature, which gives monetary values. Okay, I'll come to this, but first I'll teach you, make you understand the basics. Okay, so why this? Why quantitative information? To whom do they give, and why is it useful? It is useful for making economic decisions. This is very important. If someone asks you, if a person asks you, if they ask you that why accounting is important, you can tell them that it is important for making economic decisions. It is important for MNCs, for companies to make economic decisions. Okay, so this is the first thing of accounting. Now comes the accounting terms. Terms are transactions, money transactions, okay? These are financial in nature. I told you, no, financial in nature. This is financial in nature. Okay, let's get into result of operations, which is the second element of accounting. So there are these four things in result of operations. The first is revenue, the second one is expenses, third is net income, and the fourth one is net loss. So revenues occur when services are generated, when sales are happening, when sales takes place in a business, then revenues occur. Okay, expenses, when expenses occurs when the owner's capital is decreasing because of service, because of the occurrence of service that is generated. Decrease in the owner's capital is known as expenses in short, guys. Okay, net income are the profits. If there is increase in revenues, which means the sales, then there is decrease in the expenses. Okay, there is decrease in, the owner won't be in losses, his capital will be there in his hand safe. And then comes our net loss. It happens when there is increase in expenses and decrease in revenues. Okay, when the sales of business is low and the expenses are high, then there are losses. These are the short and simple terms, simple basic things that you can get used to. So I wrote this down for you guys. So the basic elements of accounting are, there are two types of elements. Yeah, the first is financial position and the other is result of operation. And the financial position has assets, liabilities, owner's equity. Assets are something physical in nature, like which gives you monetary values, cash, stocks, properties. They are the assets. Liabilities are the mortgages, or you may say loan, or the payables. Okay, owner's equity is the claim money. The other name is of owner equity is capital. Capital is the claimed money. In short, it is the owner of the money which he invests, which he utilizes, is capital. Cool.